The seated one-arm pull-down utilizing a band or a cable if you're doing this in the gym. Great exercise for working on rib cage control, specifically with rotational bias. Typically, we have an easier time extending and kind of expanding the rib cage as we go overhead on one side. And so this is a great way to smooth out those left to right imbalances there. And also just the seated position is going to make you a little bit more aware of just kind of how the pelvis and the ribs are interacting. One thing that I really like to focus on with this one is whatever side we're pulling on, I really like to make sure that I actually maintain some level of a posterior tilt or kind of a counter-nutated sacral position on that same side. And what that's going to do is help to get the lower lat fibers to relax a little bit and really allow the lat to fully lengthen when we're in that full overhead position, because the pelvis is oriented and the spine and the arm will be oriented in a way where the lat is going into fully eccentric lengthened position. And then if you wanted to, I guess you could get a little bit of anterior tilt as you're pulling down with the arm. Depends if you want to emphasize the upper lats or the lower lat fibers a little bit more, but that's something to play with on this one. This is also one that you can add in a little bit of trunk rotation if you wanted to get that function of the lat incorporated as well.